na tayo ng ating marathon. Tara, tara. Come on, let's go! Going to do the marathon here in Dubai Mall. Now, this is my second time. Last time is in Dubai Festival City. Today, here in Dubai Mall. Tara, join me. Start na tayo ng ating marathon. Tara, tara. And dito tayo sa registration. Let's go. Tara. Let's go. Start na tayo. You can see that one. Kita nyo yan, oh. Laking, bone ng, dinosaur. This is, I think, more than 2 kilometers for one round. Yan o. Yan. Yan ang ikutin natin. Dito tayo sa Galleria Lafayette. No, there. O tayo. Kakatuwa. Sarap dito. Malamig sa loob ng Dubai Mall. Sa labas po, right now, it's currently 38, 39. Ang init at may humid. Today is humid. Kaya, yan. Ito naman ang district. Yan, o. Oh. Oh. Yan. Ito ang pets. Kakatuwa, no? Sarap maglakad. Sarap na exercise to. You have to do it daily or you have to do it 150 minutes in a week para mas malakas ang ating katawan. Lalo na tayong mga aging. Kailangan ng exercise, daily exercise for good body, physically, mentally, at emotionally. Yan, dito na tayo sa area na ito. Nakakatawa. Dito na tayo sa aquarium. The largest aquarium here in Dubai. Yan. There. Doing the aquarium. Yan. Currently, it's around 8:30 in the morning. It will finish until 10. Daily po ito from 6 to 10. Daily, Monday to Sunday. Ito. This is my registration here in Dubai Mall. It's blue. Sa Dubai Festival City, it's yellow. Yan. Wow, this is new perfume. Ganda. Wow. Dito na tayo. Starbucks naman dito. Here. Ah, ito naman, skating ring. Yan. Yan nagpa-practice. Yan, see? No. Yan, no. Oh. Mga boys na nagpa-practice. Let's go! Third round! Come on! Let's go! Sabi nila, nakakatuwa naman. Doon na tayo. Oh, we're entering Dubai Mall, Chinatown. Yan. Yan. Now we're in the Chinatown. Yan. Ganda. See? Look around. Oh. Ganda, di ba? And these are the pandas. Ayan o, kakatuwa. Ang daming pandas. Yeah, beautiful pandas here. Ayan. Nice one. Kaganda. Saya. Ayan. Yeah. Ayan o, mga paninda ng mga dito sa Chinatown. May Starbucks din dito. Oh, ayan. Nice one. Bamboo. Ayan o. Bamboo. Nice one. And this is the food court of Chinatown. Ayan. I'll show you. Ayan o. May iba-ibang food. Happy Lemon at marami pang iba. Ito, aking idol. Yan o. Oh. Oh. Now, it's done for today. Again, tomorrow again. See you guys. Now, thank you for joining me today. Please subscribe and like po. See you again next time. Ciao! Ciao, ciao, ciao! Now, it's my Ice Americano time after the long walk this morning. Cheers, guys! It. Nice.